Assalamu alaikum. We are here. Hope so. You are all doing very well and everything is going fine. So we are here with another software which is being used offline. And when it comes about study, there are many of the apps, many of the applications, websites, many of different documentations you use for your study and making ease to your study. So we are here with such an application here which is revealed to you, and many of the interesting facts about that app are here, that you will get a notification here. You will get a beautiful alarm that will memorize you, to make notes, to remember notes, to make your memorization more strong, more availed. So also give us your suggestions before starting my video. I am requesting you that your suggestions and comments will help us to make other videos for you, to reveal different applications, different websites, different study courses to you, and you will get a better ease in your study. So let's start our topic, and today video is about Notepad. This third app in second row you are seeing here, with a yellow orange logo and orange line vertical and four just light orange lines horizontal. And please make sure you are focusing on the logo while you are installing an app. So just see here, I am logging in Notepad. I have logged into it and I have no internet connection, and there is no need for internet connection. So just see here, I am going to notes. When it comes to notes, you may do here notes, as I have made many of the notes here, and you may search it. I am searching phonology notes. So there is C. You may see here phonetics final syllabus, both of the notes are here. So when it is best way to search many of the notes from a long list of your made notes. So when it comes to make notes, there is a green button with a white plus at the bottom, right bottom of the screen. So just click there. That is addition. Now it comes to title. And when it comes to title, it is about the title of your notes. What is actually the title of your notes? As you have seen my notes, that was the name of the subject. So at the title you want here, title is, for example, we have to make a title of phonetics. I have made here phonetics. That is my title. And now it is saying to me, note something down. I will note anything I want to do, anything you want to do, you may also note. So just click at the middle of the three buttons at the middle of the screen. First one is albums, second one is to-do list, and third one is reminder. So we will go here to to-do list, and it has made a circle there. And now just write here, I am writing here acception of sound. This is the first topic. Now click at the right bottom on the blue button, which is about your keyboard, which is a part of your keyboard. There is another point of the list. Now just see here, we have the first point, reception of sound, and the second option we may have rejection of waves, ejection of waves, and so on. It is going on. So this is gone to an end now. Much more long list as you want, you may have in it. So I have made just 6 options of the list. So I am going back there. If you want, and one more interesting thing, if you want to set a reminder for that notes, that will remind you to that you have to learn this for yesterday, you have to learn this for 2 days more. So just go to reminder and set the date here. Just set the date and the time. This is hour and this is minute. Now just made confirm. Reminder set successfully. there is a reminder, and you may see at the top screen that an alarm logo is here with 12:10 p.m. अगस्त 24 2022 5:12 p.m. पे मैंने इसको लॉगिन किया है, इसको सेव किया है और 12:10 का अलार्म है मेरे पास। तो 12:10 पे अगस्त 24 को ये मुझे एक रिंग टोन देगा जो मुझे ये बताएगी कि दिस नोटिफिकेशन इज़ अबाउट योर नोट्स एंड यू हैव टू मेमोराइज दैट नोट्स। सो वी विल हैव and when you need to cancel your reminder, so there is a button at the right bottom that is cancel reminder, delete reminder, modify reminder. If you want to modify reminder, just change the date and time and just confirm it again. And if you want to delete reminder, then just click on delete reminder and it is deleted. Now you have to see on the top screen there is no reminder. So go to albums. I have not any albums yet, so take a picture is about camera and go back now. So second option is about choose a picture from albums. You may allow your notepad to your phone's gallery and you will get all of the pictures you want to save here, all of the files you want to save here as well. So this is all done, and there is another setting of alarms, set specific alarm tones to do's in app settings. Cancel it because I don't want to save it. There are 4 options of setting alarms and you may set here alarms here for your notes. So this is the best way to have notes in soft form with alarms as well.